And when you could get through the evidence code, you're absolutely right, Michael. It is one of the best ways to overturn a conviction because it literally, it almost kind of hits the conviction at its foundation, at its core. You didn't have a fair trial. And again, it's not about whether he's guilty or not. We're gonna get down to the bottom of that if he has to undergo another trial. This is really about whether or not he was afforded a fair and impartial trial. That's what we're looking at.
Yeah, and folks say, hey, 11 other people found him guilty. How is that going to play into the judge's decision? Because at the end of the day, they also have to decide if it affected the case. And if you had 11 other jurors find her guilty, is that enough?
Not one bit, Michael. You know why? Because she possibly was like a takeover juror, a hostile takeover deliberation juror, where she came in, she's like, we got to convict this guy, and she convinced 11 other people to do it. And not only that, but you need a unanimous jury. So ultimately, we almost kind of have a bad apple, and that bad apple could spread. That's what we're worried about with this one juror, juror number 7.
Yeah, now Matthew, you see in a lot of these cases, I'm going to put you on the spot. How do you think this one's going to turn
out? This one's hard. I do think that he might be looking at some remedy here. I think that he's onto something. This is very strong. It's not light at all.
Yeah, you know what? I hate to say it, but I